next up, I would invite Jakob Way from Gleechi. Okay, would you tell us a little bit about Gleechi and how you relate to the Sustainable Development Goals?
Right, yeah, so we reduce inequality by providing the next generation of training and learning for companies. So over 70% of organizations worldwide cite capability gaps as one of their top problems. At the same time, we have a huge group of people that are unemployed because they don't have the right tools to learn different tasks. This could be everything from people with disabilities, areas where there might be someone who can't speak a specific language. We solve this problem with a software platform to make it easy to create virtual reality training and maintain it. So this enables us to help people actually learn by doing things. So partly this helps companies reduce time and cost of training, reduce downtime, reduce injuries. But we're also actually proving it in one of the biggest studies related to people with neuropsychiatric disorders, that this technology can actually enable people to get jobs and learn jobs that they weren't able to get before. So for this, we've been awarded by both the European Union and MIT, among others. So yeah.
Oh, wow. And who is your dream customer?
I mean, there's quite a few of them sitting here. I mean, Fleer, that we started working with through Ignite, ABB, that we've been collaborating with for quite a long while as well. And I mean, there's plenty of, but in essence, any industry company that cares about kind of their employees, that's our dream customers.
Okay, and what's your call to action?
Well, if you don't care about your employees or them improving their learning or about equality, then do nothing. Otherwise, you should definitely come by our booth and test what we're doing. So yeah.
Wonderful. I will definitely come by to see.
Please do. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.